Hey, before you scroll away, let me ask you something simple. Why is it that the more you tried, the less they cared? But the second you went quiet, suddenly they noticed? Think about that. Really think about it. When you called, they were busy. When you tried, they relaxed. But the moment you stopped, they woke up. When that is not an accident. The world does not respect people who beg. It respects people who know their worth. And the moment you stop chasing, everything changes. Step 1. Stop chasing. Stop. Seriously. Stop texting first every time. Stop checking your phone. Stop making yourself small just to fit into someone's life. That behavior is not love. It is fear. Fear of being left. Fear of not being enough. And people can feel that fear. When they feel it, they stop respecting you. The more you run after someone, the less they want you. But the moment you pull back, they feel it. They wonder. They notice. So stop running. Fill your time with things that matter. Work on your body. Learn something new. Make your life so full that you forget who isn't texting back. That you forget who isn't texting back. If someone wants to be in your life, they will show up. If they don't, you keep walking. No tears. No arguments. Just forward. Step 2. Your silence is powerful. Stop explaining yourself every single time. Stop arguing just to be heard. All that reacting hands them control over your feelings, and that makes you easy to ignore. But silence is different. Silence creates mystery. Silence puts pressure on them instead of you. When they ignore you, don't flinch. When they test you, don't break. Hold still. Stay calm. Be like a mountain. 1. Use that quiet time to grow. Read. Train. Focus. Let your calm say more than any argument ever could. Drop this in the comments. My silence is my strength. Step 3. Build yourself up. Become rare. The most powerful thing you can do after being ignored, stop trying to prove yourself to them. Start improving yourself for you. People ignore what feels ordinary, but they chase what feels rare. If you are always available, always waiting, you become easy to take for granted. But when you level up your mind, your body, your skills, your presence becomes valuable. Hit the gym. Start that idea you've been holding. Create goals that scare you a little. Every minute you spend chasing someone is a minute stolen from your future. Take it back. When you stop needing them, they suddenly feel your absence. That is when real respect shows up. Step 4. Control your feelings. Your feelings are your greatest strength, but only if you are the one in charge of them. The moment you let anger or sadness take over, you lose power. And the person ignoring you can feel that. Reacting is easy. Anyone can react. But staying calm when everything inside you wants to scream, that is strength. When they go cold, stay steady. When they try to shake you, give them nothing but peace. Breathe. Think. Choose your response slow and intentional. They expect drama. Give them dignity. They expect you to chase. Give them distance. Drop this in the comments. I control my feelings. Nothing controls me. Them. Drop this in the comments. I control my feelings. Nothing controls me. Step 5. Set limits. If you do not draw a line, people will walk all over you. If you always say yes, always allow disrespect, you quietly teach them your time has no value. Your limits are not you being cold. They are you being smart. Stop answering people who only reach out when bored. Stop giving energy to anyone who brings stress instead of peace. Step back calmly. No anger, no drama, just firm and quiet. Hold your limits and the wrong people fall away. The right ones stay. Step 6. Your growth is your answer. The loudest response you can give to being ignored is not words. It is elevation. Level up so high that the people who overlooked you can no longer reach you. Not out of revenge, out of self-respect. Stop focusing on what they're doing. Build a life so solid that their absence becomes irrelevant. Go to the gym, start that business idea, dress better, walk with purpose. Transform so completely that when they look back, they barely recognize you. Your results do the talking. Your confidence shows naturally. Chasing people makes you feel small. Chasing goals makes you feel powerful. So choose progress. Let your improvement be your closure. Drop this in the comments. My growth is my power. My success is my voice. Final words. You are not a victim of being ignored. You are someone choosing right now to become a master of yourself. You do not need to fight for attention that isn't freely given. You do not need anyone's approval to move forward. Your presence is a gift. Your absence is a lesson. Your peace is yours to protect. Every time you refuse to react, every time you hold your limits, every time you choose growth over games, you take back power that was never really gone. Stand tall. Stay focused. Keep moving. Hit that subscribe button and type in the comments, I am untouchable, unstoppable, and I choose myself first.